Okay, so here we are. We have stored the fact that we have registered and we are now the current user, right? And presumably we've navigated to the profile screen, and the profile screen should be able to now fetch the user who's currently logged in, hitting this endpoint. And hopefully we'll come back with the same user that we put in there just a few seconds ago. So to do that, to go fetch the current user in the profile, when we when we navigate to the profile, let's go fetch the currently logged in user. And we're going to store it in a local state variable. So this will be state, and this will be current user. The current user is going to have the same information. It's going to have a username. For now, it's just going to be empty username, not the password. We don't care about the password. Maybe if you have the first name, yeah, we'll want that. Or if you pass me the last name, well, we'll want that too. But on load, right? So if the component did mount, right, here's where we're going to go fetch the user, right? We're going to do a fetch, and we're going to go out to the same server as earlier, right? So let's copy it from register. I'm just going to copy this URL. I'm going to paste that in there, and not register. We're going to go to current user. It's going to be a get. It's going to be a get, but it's we're also it's not just going to be a get, right? So let's do the method. Make sure it's a get. But we can't forget to pass the cookie, right? Otherwise, this won't work. So to pass the cookie, we're going to say credentials include. Now we're passing the cookies. And we're participating in the same session, right? The same session object on the server. The response is going to come back. We're going to parse it, and hopefully that response is going to contain the current user. And hopefully we can just display it here. So we can say that this dot state. We're going to say this dot set state current user. Will be equal to current user. Okay, and if they're in the profile, hopefully we can say hi, right? And type in the this dot current user, this dot state dot current user dot username. Yes, if this worked, right? So let's try it. Now, obviously, because we just started the server, right? Notice that it's failing, right? So if I refresh, notice that it's going out to current user. It's saying, let's see what's going on here. Is the server giving me trouble here? I don't think so. Run, no. Well, we can put a breakpoint here, see if it's hitting it. All right, so if we refresh, no, it doesn't seem to be going out. It's a local host, current user. Oh, did I misspell it again? I did, I believe. It's current user. Let's try it again. All right, so I think it went out to the server. Let's see, let's put a breakpoint here. And maybe restart in debug mode. See if we're hitting that current user. Now we know that the current user is going to be null, right? Because we haven't registered, right? Let's refresh. Current user, what's going on? Unexpected end of JSON input. Is it generating the current user? Okay, it is. It is, but nothing is coming back. Yeah, nothing's going to be probably because we're not registering. So let's start. Let's try registering it. So let's go to register. We're here, and let's register as Alice. Let's send the register. All right, notice that it says hi Alice. See that? We did register, it went out to the server, it's stored in the current user, we navigated to the profile, and now the profile went back to get the current user, and indeed they're getting Alice. as a preview. There it is, Alice. Notice that even if I refresh the screen, it's getting the same Alice because the server is remembering that Alice is logged in. Okay, excellent.